Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time of coming, you are highly welcome. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, guys, please. Here we have fun, okay? Why doing our makeup? So have dope fun, so you can't afford to miss that. Hit on that subscribe button and let's continue to have fun as one family. Then if you are a returning subscriber, you know I'll heart you big. Alright guys, so I went ahead to do my brows behind the camera so that it wouldn't take me the whole day. So moving next, like I said, this tutorial is a summer makeup tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to moisturize my skin with my cream, my face cream, because I would have done it before doing my brows, but I didn't even remember. So my brows are so dry, my face is so dry, like so dry. So I'm going to moisturize my skin, my face rather, with my face cream. Alright guys, so the next thing I'll be doing now is to prime my eye for my eyeshadow, and I'll be using my Adventure eyeshadow primer. This neon Ever Beauty eyeshadow, yeah, Ever Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is a neon Ever Beauty eyeshadow palette. How many times will I say that? Then I'm going in with this shade right here, the one at the center. Okay, then I'm using this brush like this to apply it. Then again, I'm going in with this color right here, this one. So guys, I'll be using my powder palette. Guys, for my eyeliner, I'll be using my KR eyeliner gel in black, and I love this eyeliner. Honestly, I totally love it for the fact that it doesn't stain. once you just apply it on a particular area, it sticks to that place. It doesn't like stay in any other area. So I'm going to be doing a wing eyeliner style. So if you guys want me to do an eyeliner tutorial, please kindly notify on the comment section, and I will do that just for you guys. Okay. Guys, I'm so in love with this eyeliner. It's a game changer for me. I totally love this eyeliner, honestly. Oh, so guys, I'll be priming my face with my Rimmel Stay Matte primer. So and I'll be using my foundation from V Beauty. I'm going to mix the two of this, more of this though, but a little of this. So that's what I'll be using for today's tutorial. So guys, I'll be setting with my Sacha buttercup setting. So guys, I want to like fix my lashes now, but this is where the work is because of this thing I'm having on my hands. Because I'm used to fixing my lashes in my hands, my bare hands, like pressing everything together. It's easier for me that way. But since I have these gorgeous things on my hands, I have to battle, I have to fight. Guys, I'm going to fight. Alright, so what I'll be using is this pair of lashes, this first one right here. That's the one I'll be using for today. Or should I use this one instead? No, change of plans. I'm using this one. Right here, this lashes is from Beauty, Riche 3D, something like that. So you all already know that the gum I'm using is my bonding, my Bay bonding glue. Chat. So guys, I'll be measuring the lashes with my natural lashes to know if I need to cut any part. This thing. Alright, so this is a preferred. This is what this is it. This is the preferred size for me. For moi. For me. Guys, honestly speaking, I love the fact that this nail is long. But what I don't like about this nail is the fact that I cannot do anything with it. Like I cannot do any. God, sister, hey, I really need a tutorial because I'm someone that likes nail. Even though while working, that's why doing makeup on my clients, I don't really like putting on nails, okay, because of the comfortability. Okay, so I don't really enjoy having nails on while working on my clients, so that's why I don't fix it. I like nails though, but um these long ones, oh god, they aren't just for me. So guys, I'll be applying this glue, but I'm very calculative about it because I don't want it to last long on me. That's why I'll be doing this, like I'll be applying the glue with cautious ness, because I'm just, after this tutorial I think I will even pull it off. So yeah, that is it. Alright guys, so I've changed to my outfit. Guys, I love this outfit. I wish I can show you guys the bag. It's sexy. I actually like the outfit, guys. So um this the wig I'll be using today, and this is from, I don't know, Peps Love, something like that. Though I was gifted this wig. Okay, so see guys, the texture is everything for me, guys. I love this wig. I totally love it. So that's the wig I'll be wearing, and the length is dope. See guys. See? Right? And it's very soft. When I say soft, guys, this wig is very soft, and I love it for it. Alright guys, so we have come to the end of this tutorial, and I really enjoyed creating this. If you actually enjoyed watching me, please kindly hit on that like button, and don't forget to drop on the comment section anything that you would want me to create for you guys. You know I'm always here for you guys, so kindly do so. Like, comment, share, invite your friends, and see you guys in my next video. Please do well to check out my other videos. I have tons and tons of tutorials up there for you guys, so please kindly do well to look at them, watch them, like them, comment on them, and all that. So see you guys in my next one. Until then, baby girls, stay loved, stay blessed, stay fabulous. Love you guys. Bye.